Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start now by powering off the Samsung and removing the SIM tray. This prevents shorting. Once done, ground yourself to the ESD mat and work on a clean surface. Use a small Phillips and plastic pry tool to open the back, slow, even pressure to avoid clips breaking. You do not need to remove the battery if sealed. Instead, peel the adhesive carefully. These steps expose the USB board safely so you can inspect the connector without causing further damage. You now inspect the USB daughter board closely. Look for lifted pads, cracked solder joints, or bent pins. Corrosion usually shows green or white residue and needs cleaning. Make a simple continuity test. Probe 5V V-bus to ensure power reaches the port. If no continuity, the joint likely failed. Disconnect nearby ribbon cables to gain access, and label screws so reassembly is exact. Once diagnosed, decide between resoldering a joint, replacing the port, or swapping the daughter board. You perform the repair by reflowing the bad solder joints or installing a replacement port. Apply flux, use a fine tip iron at correct temp, and steady downward pressure to seat the connector. Once soldered, clean the area with 90% plus isopropyl and replace any adhesive seals to restore water resistance. Reassemble in reverse order, reconnect ribbon cables correctly, and test charging and data transfer. If it still fails, double-check continuity and try a known good cable. Sometimes the fault is the cable, not the connector.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.